You need to hear this if you're an architecture enthusiast. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the world's most inspiring structures. Introducing Infinite Horizons, Exploring the Art, Science and Innovation of Architecture by Mustafa A.B. This isn't just a book, it's your passport to the wonders of architecture. Dive into the significance of architecture throughout human history. Discover how architects blend art and science to shape our world. Travel through time, exploring various architectural styles and their cultural, religious and technological influences. Learn about the basics, proportion, scale and symmetry before venturing into sustainable architecture and iconic buildings. Uncover the secrets of functional design and the psychology of space. From landscape architecture to urban planning and technological advancements, this book has it all. Even the business side and future trends get their spotlight. Infinite Horizons is more than a book. It's a celebration of architecture's beauty and purpose. Ready to be inspired? Click the link in the description or comments to get your copy now.